Want to make rich, creamy hot chocolate with just 2 ingredients and 0 fuss? Today, I'm showing you how to make the ultimate hot chocolate using a Lindt chocolate flakes and a Nespresso milk frother. All you need is your favourite milk and Lindt chocolate flakes. First, pour about a cup of milk into the frother. You can use whole cow milk or almond juice, but whole milk foams the best. Next, add the flakes directly into the frother. It's already heated the milk, so no melting is necessary, no extra steps. Just 2 ingredients straight into the machine. Now let your frother do all the work. The heat melts the chocolate perfectly into the milk, giving you that rich, creamy hot chocolate. Use 2 spoonfuls of chocolate flakes. Look at that creamy texture. Pour your hot chocolate into a glass, and if you're feeling fancy, add a dollop of whipped cream or some extra chocolate shavings on top. This 2 ingredient hot chocolate has been my go-to for cozy nights, and my wife loves them. It's super easy, but tastes like it took a lot more effort. Let me know in the comments what's your favourite way to top your hot chocolate. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy dessert recipes that don't skimp on flavour.